Hi, welcome to Wizman. You can add your organization details in the profile section at the time of account setup with the license key. You can modify the details by going to the profile section. Let's create the home to meet list. You can create a host by adding name, designation and department details. Visitor form. You can create the visitor form from scratch with different field types. You can also define whether it's a mandatory field or you want to show in print or not. Courier form. Similar to visitor form, you can create the courier form from scratch. Let's take a look at the 3-in-1 dashboard. Section 1. Visitor and courier form. You can enter the visitor's data at the arrival in the dashboard. To enter courier data, you can shift to the courier form with a single toggle. Section 2. Visitor and courier details. The data you have entered will be visible to you in the details section on real-time basis. To view courier entries, you can shift with a single toggle similar to the form. Let's take a look at view of visitor and courier pass. By clicking on any entry, you can view the details and print the visitor pass as well as the courier pass with ease. Section 3. Calendar. All the visitors and courier entries will be visible in the calendar to you for a ease of date-wise data sorting. Custom reports are always better. Visitor reports. You can select the time frame and define host from host-wise filter list to preview the reports. You can download the same with a single click into CSV and PDF files to share with concerned person or departments. Courier reports. Similar to visitor reports, you can preview and download the courier reports. Backup and restore. At the time of account setup or by going into profile section, you can add your Google account to back up the data with a click and restore in case you want to shift the system. Contact us for a free personalized demo or for any queries.